Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you. We've already opened Photoshop. We're going to need a photo to work with. Click on Open. Navigate to the folder on your computer where the image you need is stored and double-click on it to open it. This photo is of a Zoltar fortune-telling machine and it's looking a bit washed out. Let's look at a few simple colour tweaks we can make to improve our photos. Start by going to the Image menu and clicking on Auto Tone. As you can see, immediately we have an improved image. Photoshop is so good at performing quick fixes, it's possible to get results you're happy with almost instantly. Let's undo that for a moment. Sometimes you'll find it necessary to manually adjust the brightness and contrast of an image. To do this, go to the Image menu, Adjustments, and click on Brightness Contrast. Use the sliders to increase and decrease the brightness or contrast as needed, and click on OK when you're happy. Another useful colour setting is vibrance. Think of this as an easy way to make your image colours pop. Go to Image, Adjustments, click on Vibrance, and again use the sliders to make changes. Be aware that what vibrancy does can vary from program to program. Don't assume you'll get similar results in other applications. As you can see, there's lots more to look at on the Adjustments menu. Have a play. I'm happy with Zoltar. Remember to save the new version of the image, go to the File menu and click on Save As. Give this new image a sensible name so you can find it easily later on, and click on Save. And there you go.
Pixels.cool.